Hey there, fashion lovers. Welcome back to my channel, where we break down the latest trends and tips to make your shopping experience a breeze. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to use your Fashion Nova gift card in 2025. With all the updates to their platform, it's easier than ever to score those stylish outfits without breaking the bank. Whether you snagged a gift card for your birthday or as a reward, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, start by checking your gift card balance. Head over to the Fashion Nova website or open their updated 2025 app, which now features seamless biometric login for quicker access. Once you're in, look for the Gift Cards section in your account dashboard. Enter your gift card code, it's that 16-digit number usually on the back, and verify the balance. This step ensures you know exactly how much you have to spend, avoiding any surprises at checkout. Next, browse through the amazing collections. Fashion Nova's 2025 interface is all about personalized recommendations, so you'll see outfits tailored to your style. Add your favorite items to your cart by clicking the Add to Bag button. Don't forget to check for any limited time deals that might stack with your gift card. Now, when you're ready to check out, proceed to your cart and hit the Checkout button. On the payment page, you'll see a new option for digital wallets integrated with Fashion Nova. Scroll down to the Apply Gift Card field, enter your code again, and watch the total drop. If you have any remaining balance, you can pay the rest with a credit card or another payment method. Easy peasy. One quick tip: make sure your gift card is valid for 2025. Fashion Nova has extended expiration policies, but always double check. If you run into issues, like an invalid code, contact their 24/7 customer support through the app's chat feature. And there you have it. You've just mastered using your Fashion Nova gift card in 2025. Now go ahead and treat yourself to that perfect outfit. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more fashion hacks, and drop a comment below with your favorite Fashion Nova find. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay stylish.